my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews and unboxings. Today I'll be reviewing this blanket hoodie. Super excited about this. Comes in all sorts of colors, but I chose the pink fluffy one. So let's check it out. It is humongous. It's one size. So here is the front. It's a lot of hoodie, that's for sure. So inside is this beautiful white fuzzy fur, and then all the way down on the bottom there's like a line of fur, and then inside entirely fur covered all the way. Okay, so let me go ahead and try this on. Oh, this is amazing. And I like that it cuffs as well to keep all the heat in. Put this hoodie on. So depending on your height, I'm 5'6". So 5'6" hits you like almost to your ankle basically. So if you're taller and if you're shorter, it will go down a little bit further. So yeah, I mean, I'm getting super nice and toasty in here. It definitely does the job it's supposed to do. So yeah, I mean, is this something that you would buy? Let me know in the comments. If you want to purchase it, it is in the link below. If you want to continue watching more unboxings, product reviews, and all that good stuff, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, see ya.